Just go to Carolyn real quick from Mississippi, who has asked me a question here. And Carolyn, let me just tell you real quick, because this will be edifying to everybody, but she's asking me about inherited bank stock. Now, the only thing that, Carolyn, I don't know that it makes it a little bit difficult, but it still doesn't apply. It's just a little bit easier. I mean, the answer I'm going to give you is okay one way or another, but I don't know if it's publicly traded bank stock or not. There is no time frame to sell it. It doesn't matter when you're selling. You're selling anytime you want. You don't have to have a certain time frame. But understand, you're talking about paying taxes. The sooner you sell it after the date of the day the person died that you inherited from, the likely you're going to be of not paying any taxes. So the basis for the stock is stepped up to the date of death. So the person died, let's say, on June 5th. So you could go back and look at June 5th at how much that stock was selling for if it's publicly traded. And let's say it was selling for $30 on that day, and it's now selling for $34. You would have to pay capital gains tax on $4 a share. If it is under 30, then you wouldn't have to pay anything because you'd be down. So that's how it works. So I would suggest that you roll it over as quickly as possible and you sell it right away. And if it's IRA money, of course, inherited IRA money, which I don't know if it is or not, but if it's IRA money, then of course none of that applies, and you don't have to pay anything. You just have to have an inherited IRA. But you say you can currently have a Roth IRA account. I would not put it in a Roth IRA account at this point. I would put it into an investment account and leave it there and put it into whatever stock you want to put it in. So hopefully that helps you a little bit.
Hey, remember to click the subscribe button right here on the screen. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when new content is added. And more importantly than anything, you don't want to miss all 3 live hours of Financial Issues every day from 9 to noon. And you can watch it on FISM.tv. That's FISM.tv.